Hello beautiful people, let's make okpa today. So even if it's your first time in attempting to make okpa, with this recipe you're going to enjoy this delicious snack. And here I have 5 cups of okpa. Any measuring cup you're using, use the same measuring cup for all the measurements we'll have to do in this video. And here I have palm oil. This is Enugu palm oil. Palm oil is very important for your okpa. Please source for the right one. And I added in 1.5 cup of palm oil. Okpa needs lots of palm oil to give it that color because I'm not adding any artificial colors to mine. And now I'm going to add hot piping water to this palm oil. I added 2 cups of hot water. It will help the palm oil to dissolve. Traditionally, I'm supposed to mix this with my hands, but I found a better alternative with my whisk. And I'll stir this together. You can see that the palm oil has already dissolved with the hot water. And I brought in the okpa flour. This is bambara nuts. And we are going to mix all this in to combine properly. With this method, this okpa is going to mix very well without having any lumps. So when you're making yours, you don't have to make the quantity I made. If you're making less, you will have to divide, and if you're making more, you'll have to multiply. Just do a little mathematics and you'll be good to go. So what we're looking at is mixing this to become very fluffy. That way your okpa is going to taste differently. So the more you mix this, the more you intensify the flavors of the okpa. And I didn't add much water from the beginning. I'm going to add it later so that this wouldn't take me time to stir. And now I brought in additional 1 cup of hot water, and gently I'll start mixing this. And we'll also mix this to be very fluffy. So your okpa consistency doesn't need to be very thick, and it's not going to be very loose as well. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. Now I brought in salt. I also brought in ground pepper. Always add as much peppers as you can bear. These are the only ingredients required to make your okpa: palm oil, salt, and pepper. Please do not add crayfish if you want to make that original Okpa Enugu style. And now I'm going to taste this to check if my salt is in the right proportion, and mine came out perfectly well. If you need to adjust yours, please go ahead. And here I have nylon bags. I'll be tying mine with nylon bags. You can use pouch or anything, or even the leaves, the traditional leaves. I don't have them here, that's why I'm using the nylon bags. And you will need someone to help you hold the nylon bags while you fill it up, so you don't have to fill too much. And let me show you how to tie this. You're going to tie it very tightly, but not in such a way that is going to burst the nylon. Twist it, and we are going to tie it. That way there wouldn't be room for the okpa to move around in the nylon. Everything will be cooked together in one place. Now this is the last batch. I'm going to scrape everything because of course I'm not going to waste nothing of this delicious okpa. It was so nice of my sister-in-laws to send me this okpa flour already grinded, and they also sent me the palm oil. Those are the perks that comes with marrying an Enugu man. They always take care of me, and I take care of them as well. This life is not that difficult. So we'll also tie this last one, and let me show you how to cook this okpa. So shortly before now, I've been boiling water for this okpa. You must add it into boiling water, not cold water, not lukewarm water. And you see how I'm shaking this. If you don't shake this, the ones you tied earlier on would have congealed underneath, and when it cooks, it's not going to be even. So you shake every one of them before adding it into the hot water. And we're going to cook between 35 minutes to 40 minutes max. And they are all ready. And here you see me poking my fingers at them. When they are done, you could already perceive it, and they've already solidified. These are the signs to tell you that your okpa is ready. Now I'm going to bring this out in my tray to cool. Look at me dipping my hands into that very hot water. practice, they say, makes perfect. I've done this for so many years, so if you're not careful with this, you have to take yours out with a fork or with a spoon. And here they are, already served in the plate, ready to be consumed. My people are waiting for this. Look at how fluffy our okpa is. It's very fluffy and it's very smooth, and this surely is very, very delicious. And also note that as it cools, the colors are going to be even more brighter. This is the best and easiest way to make your Okpa Enugu, and you'll enjoy it as though you're there in Enugu city or in Enugu town. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.